Hey guys, my name's Nate and I'm the Outdoorsman, and today we're going to be opening up the October Cairn Box. But as you can tell, I'm not alone. I'm with Cassie. And also you can tell by the date at the bottom of this video, this came out late, most likely not in October. And that's because, and we also look like we're in our PJs because tomorrow we are leaving for our wedding. And we're trying to open this up before we go on our honeymoon to Arizona, so that if there's anything nice for the trip in there, we can take it with us. And the reason I have her with me is because I know we know one of the products in this, and she's going to be a better judge of character on it than I am. So I had it. So I have her here for it. The reason being is because there was multiple styles of it, and they asked, "Hey, which one do you want?" And I went, "That one." But anyways, but yeah, if there's pictures from Arizona, I may just throw one up right there, and yeah, from the wedding, maybe I'll just throw one up there. But anyways, enough faffing about. As always, at the end of this box, we always vote on it. You can vote on which product you thought was the best. I forgot to look, just because of wedding mania, I forgot to look to see which one was the best one, but editor Nate will look it up and put it somewhere over here of which one was the last month's winner. I think it was, I think the Paratinder was actually winning. It was one of the winners, or it was that, and the sharpener was the winning. But you'll be able to vote in the upper right hand corner up there to tell which one is your favorite. But let's see, what do we got in this box? And we will start with the product that she's here for. Sunski sunglasses. And definitely this is one of those moments where I know this box is definitely worth it, because in a $30 a month box, these are $50 sunglasses. And if I'm not mistaken, these are made out of recycled material. And the reason why I have her here is she's an optician. She fits me with my glasses. I cannot see now. Let's see, how do I look in them? Not bad. Mm-hmm. I would see how I see on the screen, but it's a blur. Let's see, so these are the Sunski sunglasses. Why don't you look up their specs and read them aloud.
Oh.
For the viewers at home, she's new to unboxing. I'm not. I'm gonna take a look at myself in the cell phone mirror.
Salt water. Take a dip in the ocean, rinse them in the fresh water before storing and cleaning. Make sure they don't sit in salt water too long.
Specs about them.
There's really not that
like
much in here.
Anything interesting, because that's storage stuff. Looking.
I'm like, that's what it says. Salt water, sunscreen, and storage. There's a microfiber pouch in there. You can use that to clean them. And they have a lifetime warranty.
Oh, that's useful. Let's see, do they have any other information?
But that was about it.
Oh, that's care instructions.
Yeah.
Well, there's this part too, but let's see, anything. But yeah, they're just sunglasses. If I remember looking online, they're from recycled material. This was the design I chose. Now, so I can actually see. But they also come with a. Sorry, that's actually a picture of gluten-free pancake mix.
I was trying to test to see if they were polarized.
There. That's a Facebook comment.
So these are polarized.
Yeah. I told you they were.
I know, but I want to tell you how you can tell. So you can always tell a pair of sunglasses are polarized if you hold them up to a device, like a digital device like a cell phone. And if you rotate the lenses to the side like this, the screen should get dark. If somebody sells you a pair of sunglasses and they say they're polarized and they don't do that, they're lying to you.
They also come with a bag. That wasn't a microfiber towel. It could be a microfiber.
It's a microfiber pouch, so you can use it for storage and cleaning.
Cool. But yeah, they look good. So
they're comfy too.
Yeah, one of the reasons we wanted to open this was so we could actually bring those 2 pairs on. But let's see what else we got. The next thing is the Croaky's Arc Endless attachable cable retainers. So they're, get that to focus on not Cassie. There we go. Cable retainers for sunglasses. And glasses. So these are by Croaky's and these are Arc Endless. Get these through. So these would basically fit on the end of it. Looks like they have a smaller fit, a longer fit, and they've given us a similar one in the past when they did, I think, the Nectar ones. I think the Nectar ones had it, but those ones I never really could get to fit things like my glasses. But these ones I think have the wider tip on them, but they also have one that has a smaller tip on it. But yeah, definitely with this box, I did have the option of, yeah, it's not bad. I did have the option if I didn't want sunglasses, I could actually choose some, I could say just send me something else, and they would, but I wanted sunglasses. Because I'm weird. Problem is I tend to go with polarized sunglasses, but she wears contacts way more than me, so I've kind of got them more for her than me. Which is why she's why she's here. How are they holding up?
Good. So this material here, it does kind of get caught in your hair a little bit, so if you have a lot of hair like me, it can get kind of tugged, but this part being really thin makes it really light.
I like being... It doesn't work for people with big heads. Okay, so this product doesn't work for me because I have a big head and nope. It's nope, I'm noping my way out of that one. Okay, so no. It works for her, not me. I have a big head. But anyways, we'll move on to the, it looks like there's one last item in here. Oh, no sticker. But we did actually get a sticker, which was the Sunski sticker, but I can't find it. But no Cairn Box sticker. But we did get, I can't remember if I've had one from them, but Picky Bar. Which is chai and catch me almond ginger and cardamom bar. Energy, real good food. And usually in these I comment on how I try some, save some for later so she can try them. I don't have to do this time. I can eat it all myself. I'll let her have a bite. I'm going to forego showing this. I'm having trouble with it focusing with too many faces here, so I'm going to forego showing this. not sure how I feel like that smells. I think it's a ginger.
Like ginger, yeah, it smells like ginger.
It's a ginger and cardamom, I think. So it looks like most date bars. If you've seen me open up a date bar, you've seen me open up most of them. And does this have date in it? Yeah, it's a standard date bar. So it looks like most date bars. It's just, it really is just, it's your standard date bar. So, decent amount of ginger, decent amount of cardamom. It kind of reminds me very much of a really homemade, very gingery ginger snap cookie or gingerbread cookie.
That's exactly what I was gonna say. I was gonna say it tastes like a ginger snap cookie.
So that's actually not bad. It was more like the smell of it was off-putting when I first opened it up. The smell was really bad at first. I think it hit more with the cardamom than the ginger. But it really tastes like a really good homemade ginger snap cookie, if anything. And if you like ginger snap cookies, it's actually not bad. Give you all that. Here. I took a bite and let you have another bite so I could review it. But yeah, it's like a really good ginger snap cookie. So that's Picky Bars Energy Real Good Food. Chai at me. So almonds, ginger, and cardamom. Yeah, that goes on my, if I see it in the stores or online, I'm definitely picking that one up list. And honestly, that is sort of a short list. It's not a long list, but it's about a medium list. But it tastes like a really good, I want to say, dessert bar to have. I wasn't sure how I'd like that, but I really do. Especially for a good winter hike. Maybe with a cocoa. But yeah, so that's everything. So the big question is, now that we've come to the end of our video, which item is your favorite item? Is it the Sunski sunglasses? Is it the Croaky's Arc Endless glasses holder? Or is it the Picky Bar Chai Hatch Me bar? So, not many in this one, but again, the glasses were actually very pricey. Now that I knew what was in here, I was able to kind of price it out. And I am happy with this box. I am personally very happy with this box. But I kind of had a choice going ahead of it with it. But anyways, you can vote up here. But anyways, as I said, this video is out late because of my wedding, or our wedding, and our honeymoon. So, and when you're seeing this video, we've been back for a week from Arizona, and so sorry for this being out late, but not sorry at the same time. So, hope you enjoyed the guests that were out to cover the spot. Amos and Carly did an amazing job. I don't think she saw the videos. I'd show them to her. I'm just calling her out on it on camera because I'm weird. Because that's our dynamic. But anyways, you guys have a good day. Remember, get out in the woods and have some fun. I know I have, both past and future Nate. So, see you everyone.